Hey there, guys. Chet here. When someone visits your store and instantly sees their own language, everything about your brand feels immediately more welcoming. It lowers confusion, makes navigation easier, and builds trust right away. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add multiple languages to your Shopify store so that customers from different regions can browse comfortably. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your store the right way, click the link that we've put down below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, to get started, go to the left menu inside your Shopify dashboard and click on the settings at the bottom. This will open a full list of configuration options for your store. From here, click on Languages. That will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where Shopify manages all active and available languages for your store. On this page, you will see English as your default store language. To add a new one, click the Add Language button there you see at the top right. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear showing a drop-down of languages that Shopify supports. For this tutorial, let's choose Russian as the language we want to add. So select it from the drop-down and click Next. Another pop-up will appear asking whether you want this language to apply to specific stores linked to your account. Each store shown in this list has a toggle next to it. Turning the toggle on means the language will be enabled for that particular store. If you want to keep it off, simply leave the toggle in the default position. Once you finish choosing the stores, click Done at the bottom. After that, you will return to the main language settings page, and you will see your newly added language listed. The next step, though, is to translate the content inside of your store so that everything can display in that language. To begin that process, click the Translate button right next to the language that you just added. Shopify will now open the Translate or Adapt app. If you already have it installed, it will load automatically. If you do not have the app installed, Shopify will show you the option to install it before you can move forward. Once you enter the translation page, Shopify will show a detailed list of everything that needs to be translated. This includes theme sections, product titles, descriptions, collection names, navigation items, notifications, and a whole lot more. Instead of translating each element manually, you can use Shopify's built-in auto translation tool. To do this, go to the top right and click on the Auto Translate button. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Translate, and then Shopify will begin working through your entire store. When the translation's finished, Shopify will notify the store owner by email so you know that it's ready. Now that your language is translated, there is one final step. Go back to Settings, open Languages, and find the language that you just worked on. Next to it, click the 3 dots icon. From the small drop-down that appears, choose Publish. This activates the language on your store and makes it visible to your customers. Once you complete this step, the language becomes fully available on your storefront. Customers will now be able to switch between languages using the selectors shown on your theme, and Shopify will automatically display the translated content based on your published settings. After you finish reviewing everything, your multi-language setup is complete. Your customers can now browse your store in a language that feels natural to them, which, over many things, improves trust, reduces any confusion, and will also increase your chances of making that sale, which is really the most important part, right? If you want to start your store today, check the link below. You'll unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. As always, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. I will see you in the next video.